Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to enable your Google Maps in satellite mode. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end without skipping a part. So let's get started. First, open your Google Maps on your device. Then, tap on the layer icon, which is between the shopping and the compass icon. And here, as you can see in the map type, there are three types: default, satellite, and terrain. Currently, our map is shown in terrain type. To enable satellite view, tap on satellite. Then close this window. And here, as you can see, our map is running in satellite view. And guys, that was it. This is how you enable satellite view of your Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.